Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Lord Do It, and that is by Hezekiah Walker. Guys, we're going back to the 90s, right? And you know what? This was requested by Mario Bernardo. Thank you so much, Mario, for giving us such an awesome song to work on today. And you know what, guys, before we start, I got to show you what I'm working with. I got my seltzer water. Yep, I got my seltzer water. I'm going to try it out real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me open up this. Let me see what it tastes like real quick. Okay, you got to be a fan of it. It's like soda water. It's soda water. That's exactly what it is. Guys, go to your favorite refrigerator. Open it up. I would love for you to go get your favorite beverage. Come back to the keyboard. Sit down at your Roland, your Casio, your Yamaha, whatever it is. Learn with me, your favorite instructor, AK, on today. Of course, before we start, hit that like. It brings more people to our community. Bam, I see you just hit it. Thank you so much. All right, guys, we're in the key of A flat. That's A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. Of course, this is numerical melody. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, I think I hear Hezekiah Walker in the back with his Love Fellowship Choir. They're warming up those awesome voices. You know what? Let's just stretch our hands out, crack them. You know the routine. Stretch them out. Man, we got it. I think we're ready to receive Hezekiah Walker. Lord, do it. Let's get it. Come out and count our numbers. All right, easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we start off with this little motif. Let me give you that. We're on the 6, going to the 7, 1, 2, and then we're playing our chord on the 2. It's this nice chord right here. And then we're going, what is that? We're on the 5. We're playing our D flat 7 chord, E flat dominant 7 chord. Then we're going very quick chord here. That's a D flat chord going to a flat chord. All of that is over the 1. Then they do this nice little thing. All right, let me give you that. That's a nice classical gospel type of movement. So we're hitting this chord and we're hitting our 7. We change up to this chord. In our left hand, we're playing an F. We go back to that first chord, second chord, and on this chord. All right, this is our walk up. Let me give you that classic. We're on the 3. We're playing an A flat major chord. Going to our 4, D flat major chord, E flat major chord on the 5. On our 6, we're playing a D flat major chord. Going to our 7, E flat major chord. Last chord is an A flat on the 1. They have this nice little gospel movement. Let me give you that. We're on the 1. That's our A flat dominant 7 chord. Guess what? Same chord, just moving down to a G flat dominant 7 on our 7. Going to our G flat dominant 7, and that is over our 7 flat. In our bass, we're playing a 6, and we're playing a F dominant 7 chord. Then they have this movement. Oh, what is that? That's our chord. It's a G flat diminished 7 with a 2 flat in our bass. Going to the 2, and we're playing this chord. Okay. Next chord. Lord, do it for me. Let me give you that. So we're on the 5. We're playing our E flat dominant 7 chord. On our 4, we're playing this D flat 6 chord, going to our 1. What is that? Same D flat 6 chord on the 1, resolving with our A flat chord, hit that A flat chord again. And then we walk up again. Second time through is a little different. We're going on the 3, we're playing an A flat major chord. On our 4, we're playing this B flat minor chord. On our 5, we're playing an A flat major chord. On our 6, we're playing this chord right here. On our 7, we're playing this chord. And then we go into our A flat on the 1. We kind of repeat it. All right, same chords. They have this little thing they go, all that is an A flat going to a B flat minor chord. And that's right there on the 2. Then we do our intro again. Do it for me. Right? Okay, let me give you that. On the 2, we're playing this chord. And then we're kind of doing this. Let me give you that. That's like a G and a B flat, F and an A flat, and then we go what we learned earlier. So it's like, okay, right now. This is the solo part. You read the Bible. You read the stories, right? Okay, so all we're doing is instead of going down, we're just going, we're starting out on that 6. And we're playing this E flat diminished 7. You read the story, right? This is all the same. Da, 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 da. It changes up right here. We're on the 3. We're playing a regular A flat major chord. We're going to our 6. We're playing our E flat diminished 7 chord. We're going to our B flat minor 6 chord. Walk up with this right here. Let me give you that. On the 5, we're playing this E flat dominant 7 chord. Going to our 6. Playing this chord right here. That's our D flat 6 chord. Going back to our E flat dominant 7 chord on the 7. And then we're going to our A flat. And then they do the same thing. Right? That's that little pass, A flat going to the B flat minor. Then they go ba da ba ba ba. Do it for me. Right? Now they repeat right here. Let me give you that. So we're going right now. So we're on the A flat in our bass. We got a 1. We're going to our 7 flat, and we're playing this nice cool chord here. Going to our F dominant 7 chord on the 6, and then we just repeat that. What we learned earlier. Right. I hope this was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is stay calm. When I was younger, my mom did her very best to teach me how to drive. But every time I got behind the wheel, her nerves just took over. You're going to hit that mailbox. Or, oh no, you're drifting into the median, she'd exclaim. Her anxiety made me anxious. And it quickly became clear we needed a different approach. Thankfully, a mentor, her friend at the time, who happened to be legally blind, stepped in to help. His calm and steady demeanor was exactly what I needed to stay focused and successfully get me through my lessons. And it certainly helped that he couldn't see my driving in action. Sometimes the people closest to you may not be the best ones to guide you because their fears can hold you back. The right mentor with a calm and steady approach can make all the difference in helping you succeed. Stay calm. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you. That was fun. That was a fun song to play. Guys, thank you for coming in and sitting, learning with me, joining me on this day. I would love it if you would continue to share this information with your friends, your loved ones, your musician buddies, everyone who possibly would want to learn how to play. Share it with them. And also, guys, we have a Facebook page that is Numerical Melodies on Facebook. That's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play. And yes, we have a new section. It's called Viewers Requests. That is when you give me a song and I will play it for you. And of course, yes, Viewers Requests. That's all it is, Viewers Requests. Check it out, Facebook, Numerical Melodies. And we have a bell. Hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And yes, right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yeah, some people say it takes 2 seconds. Some say it takes 27 seconds. I don't know why, but we're going to try 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Last but not least, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.